Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Let us now talk about being a healthy person. They say health is wealth, not your money and gold. Your health, if you are a healthy person, you can do wonderful things. So today we are going to look and see and learn how can I be healthy? How can I keep myself healthy to do the work I do? So, a healthy mind in a healthy body. So, the most important thing is taking care of your body. When you take care of your body, you are able to do work, and then you are automatically taking care of your mind. Your mind needs to be healthy, so the mind and the body work together. Yes? So let's talk about I must be healthy. Okay? Now there's a little song that goes by to keep you healthy. You already know maybe about, they normally say an apple a day keeps doctor away. What they are trying to say, eat a fruit daily. Doctor says, just eat an apple, and that will go a long way to help you. There are a lot of things in the apple that will keep you healthy, especially the outer covering of the apple. So, can we take that song? Okay? An apple a day keeps doctor away. So, you need to take an apple a day. Okay? Now, let's take it. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Won't you have one too? You got it? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Won't you have one too? An apple a day really shows us the way. Good health to me and you. An apple a day really shows us the way. Good health to me and you. You like the song? All you need to do is eat an apple. You go to the doctor, the first thing doctor asks, do you eat fruits? The fruit, vegetable, that's going to keep us healthy. Now, to be, I must be healthy. I must be healthy. Would you want to be healthy? Yes. Don't like to be in bed all the time. Don't like to go to beg doctor, keep me healthy, help me. No. So, I am going to be healthy. I must be healthy. Yes, I must be healthy. Only when you are healthy can you smile. When you are healthy, you can smile, you can relax, you can be not happy. Okay? So, I must be healthy. What is the first thing that you need to do to be healthy? I must be healthy, so I must go to bed early. The rest, everybody says, your mommy says, doctor says, elders say, to be a healthy person, a healthy child, you need to go to bed early. Rest for the body and the mind. That's the first thing that we have to take care of. So, I must be healthy. Why should you be healthy? So that you can smile. Do you need to smile? Yes, you need to smile. You need to be happy. So, what do? You need to go to bed early. So, I must be healthy. So, I go to bed early. So, I go to bed early. When you go to bed early, you wake up fresh and nice the next day to do your work. So, we are talking about healthy. When you are sick, your mommy says, maybe you rest a while, you will become better. When you get sick and go to a doctor, the doctor says, you need to stay in bed. So, the first most important thing to be a healthy person, to be a healthy little girl and boy. What must I do? I must go to bed early, not watching the TV, looking at the cell phone and getting your mind tired. So I go to bed early to rest what? Rest your body and rest your mind. Two things you are doing, giving a rest for your mind and the body, and you wake up refreshed and happy. So I must be healthy, so I wake up early. Naturally, you go to bed early, you wake up early. So I wake up early. And when you wake up early, how are you? You wake up early happily. When you wake up early, you are happy. You are not troubling. Mommy, happy and cheerful. Yes, you are cheerful, not cranky. So I go to bed early to rest my mind and body. I must be healthy. So I wake up early and happy and cheerful. And what mood are you now? In a good mood. When you are happy and cheerful, you are in a good mood. If you wake up bad mood and cranky, finished. So, what are we trying to do? We are trying to calm our mind and our body. For what? Because I must be healthy. There are a lot of things that you need to do to be healthy. Number one, going to bed early. Number two, waking up early. Then, I must be healthy, so I brush my teeth twice a day, both in the night and in the morning. So, I brush my teeth twice a day. Why? I must be healthy. So, I brush my teeth twice a day. Twice a day. And how do you do it? You do it happily, up and down, round and round, in and out. Keep your teeth sparkling. And when you clean your teeth, your daddy must say, what? You're polishing your pearls? Daddy must say, it should be so sparkling white. So, it's a good habit. I must be healthy. So, what am I doing? I am brushing my teeth both at night and in the morning to keep my teeth healthy. If your teeth are healthy, strong, your body will be strong. They say the body, when you look at your body, if you have good set of teeth, then you probably are a healthy child. Then I must be healthy. So what do? I take a bath daily. The next point we are discussing is I must be healthy, so I take a bath. I take a bath daily. I clean myself, keep myself fresh and clean. Now, I must be healthy, so what do? So, I go to bed early to rest my mind and body. I wake up early, happily, cheerfully, in a good mood, bright and alert. I must be healthy, so I brush my teeth twice a day. I keep all my teeth white like pearls. I must be healthy, so I take a bath daily to refresh myself. Then, I must be healthy, so after my bath, I wear a clean set of clothes. Every time you have a bath, you wear a clean set of clothes. So, I must be healthy, so after my bath, I wear a fresh and clean set of clothes. I must be healthy. You have to remain healthy, not for 1 day or 2 days. Every day, day after day, week after week, month after month. If you are a healthy person, you will grow up to be healthy, and then in school, at home, you will be able to do your work allotted to you. Sometimes when you are sick, you do not work like other days. On sick days, you do not go to school. Then what happens? Your workload gets more. So we have to remain healthy. I must be healthy. So what do? I go to bed early to wake up early. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. And I wear a clean set of clothes. Next, what else you need to do? You brushed your teeth, you had a bath, put a clean set of clothes. The next thing you need to do is, before you do anything, drink enough water in the morning. Drinking a cup of water in the morning is a healthy habit. So, I must be healthy. So, I drink. Lots of water. Here when we are talking about healthy, we are talking about morning. After brushing, bathing, putting clean set of clothes, what do you need to do? You need to drink some water. The water should be taken regularly. For a healthy person, for a healthy body, water is essential. Okay, what is the next thing you will have? I must be healthy, so I eat all the vegetables and fruits that mama gives me. I must be healthy, so I eat. I eat what? All the vegetables. When you say all the colors, I eat all the colorful, all the colors, all the colorful vegetables. Vegetables and fruits. Fruits and vegetables come in different colors, and each of those vegetables has something important for our body. So, I must be healthy, so I eat all the colorful vegetable and fruit what mommy gives me. For what? To keep myself healthy. The next thing what mommy gives you is milk. She gives you milk. I must be healthy, so I drink my milk. I must be healthy, so I drink my milk. So, I drink. My milk. Now, sometimes you say you don't like milk. No. Whatever you eat or drink, how must you do it? You must do it happily. You must be happy to eat. You must be happy to drink water. Only then it will show in your body. Always remember, when mommy gives you things, your milk should be drunk happily, not grudgingly, not forced it down. So what am I trying to do here? I am trying to be a healthy child. If I am healthy in body and mind, I will be a productive child. I will get good results in my test. I will do my work properly. A healthy mind in a healthy body. So what do? I go to bed early to rest my mind and my body. I must be healthy, so I wake up early. And how do I wake up? Happily, cheerfully, in a good mood, because I have got enough rest for my mind and body. I must be healthy, so I brush my teeth daily. I brush my teeth at night. I brush my teeth in the morning. Then what did daddy say? What? You're polishing your pearls? Your teeth should be sparkling, should be strong. Okay, I must be healthy, so I take a bath daily. And I clean myself, keep myself fresh. I must be healthy, so I wear a clean set of clothes after my bath. I must be healthy, so I drink lots of water. Morning after you wake up, after you brush your teeth, drink water to clean your system so that you remain healthy. I must be healthy, so I eat all the colorful vegetables and fruit what mommy gives me. I must be healthy, so I drink my milk. How should you drink the milk? Grudgingly? No, you must drink your milk happily. Only if your mood is good, what food you eat and what milk you drink will show up on your body. So, you are thinking of becoming a healthy child. So, we got to do all this. Now, let's look at all the sounds. We must also, when we read, we need to do a sound. I sound. Inky the mouse. E. What's the sound of I? E. What's the sound of M? Mom and dad. What's the sound of B? B. And then you have H, ha. Then S, E, G, Ch, B, A. E sound is A. Then you have B, mom and dad. You have again here sound, E sound, W sound, sound, A sound. Yeah, ha and k, g, Next you have s, E sound, b, t, again t, a, and d. Then you have sound, E sound, t, a, b, d, s, e, w, e, a. S has no sound. A, k, s, o, and k again. Again you have here s, e, d, l, o, and w. You have s, e, a, t, k, b, and then you have e, d, again and ha. Now, what are we trying to learn today? We're trying to make ourselves healthy children. So, I must be healthy. So, I go to bed early to rest my body and mind. I must be healthy, so I wake up early, happily, cheerfully, in a good mood. I must be healthy, so I brush my teeth twice a day, morning and at night, keep my pearls shining like little pearls. I must be healthy, so I take a bath daily. I must be healthy, so after a bath, I wear a set of clean clothes. I must be healthy, so I drink lots of water. Above all, I drink a cup of water after I brush my teeth, clean my system to be healthy. I must be healthy, so I eat all the colorful vegetables and fruits what mommy buys for me. I must be healthy, so I drink my milk happily so that I remain healthy. Keeping myself happy is to keep myself healthy. Only when I am healthy, I can be happy. And that's what we are talking about now. So, I must be healthy. So, what do? I do exercise daily. Some exercise. I must be healthy. So, I do some exercise daily. It can be exercise, it can be walking, whatever. Why are you doing that? So that your body is fit to do work. So I must be healthy. When you say exercise, what else you do now? Yoga, yes, I must be healthy. So I do yoga. And you have to do it regularly. So when you say exercise, like walking or school, what they teach you some exercise, but then you must also do some yoga. All these you have to do regularly, daily. Only then your mind will be calm. I must be healthy, so I do some exercise every day. I must be healthy, so I do yoga regularly. I must be healthy, so I keep my nails short and my hair clean. I must be healthy. So what do? I must be healthy, so I keep my nails short. My nails short. And what else? What else you do to your I comb my hair. Nails short and comb my hair. Must keep your head nice looking. Your nails should be short and neat looking. Why? Part of being healthy. So I must be healthy, so I do some exercise daily. I must be healthy, so I do yoga regularly. I must be healthy, so I keep my nails short and my hair combed neat and tidy. Then what else I need to do to keep myself healthy? I must be healthy, so I keep my surroundings clean. I must be healthy, so I keep my surroundings clean. Wherever I live. First, I begin with the place where let us say your study room, your bedroom, your study room is what you use. Learn to keep it clean and neat. Then you might have seen mommy making the house clean and neat, keeping the garden beautiful. All these are healthy ways to keep our body and our mind healthy. So I must be healthy. So what do? I keep my surroundings clean, not throw things about. Throw the rubbish in the bin, put the books in a good, neat manner. All these are healthy ways, healthy habits to cultivate to grow to be a healthy child. Now, I must be healthy, so I keep myself happy. How do you keep yourself happy? If you say, oh, I want this, I don't like this, I don't like that vegetable, I don't like her, I don't like my sister irritating me. You go on talking like that, then you are not keeping your mind healthy. I must be healthy. So what do? I keep myself happy. I do things that make myself happy. I must be healthy. So I keep myself happy. Whatever work you like to do, maybe reading, doing something, do something that will make you happy. Always to be in a cheerful, good mood. That will go a long way to keep you a healthy child, a happy child. Now, keeping plants around in and out of the house, taking care of it, another healthy habit. So, I must be healthy, so I keep plants around the house. I must be healthy, so I take care of plants. I take care of some plants. It can be in the house, outside the house, but taking care, even if you take care of one plant, it's a healthy habit. So I must be healthy, so I take care of some, may not be flowering, at least some money plant, any plant. Then I must be healthy, so I read some good books. Reading is very, very good for our mind. So I must be healthy, so I read. So I read some good books, and that too regularly. Not one day I read, one day I put it off. So these are some of the ways. Maybe there are other ways also. As a little girl, as a little boy, what must we do? We must do certain things to remain healthy. What? I must be healthy, so I do some exercise regularly, daily. Not sitting on corner and sleep. I must be healthy, so I do yoga every day. Your school also teaches you. So do something in school, at home also. I must be healthy, so I keep my nails short and clean and neat, and my hair well combed and neat. I must be healthy, so I keep my surrounding, my room, my study table, my bedroom clean and neat. It's a very good habit to be healthy. I must be healthy, so I keep myself, try to keep myself happy. I must be healthy, so I take care of some plants in the house or outside the garden. At least one plant. I must be healthy, so I read some good books regularly so that my mind and my body is healthy. A healthy mind and a healthy body. So let's look at the sounds of some of the words put up here. You have S sound, E sound, D sound, sound, S sound. Sound, E sound, D, Y sound, R sound, S sound, E sound, K sound, N sound, sound, A, and K, N, Ha sound. Then we have sound again, E, K sound, N sound again, and K sound again. You have here S and E, K, N, Ha sound. E, T, K, O, and P sound. Then you have this E, R sound, sound, G sound, B, and R. Let's read together. We are talking about keeping ourselves healthy. I must be healthy, so I do some exercise daily, whether walking or whatever exercise, regularly, daily, to keep myself healthy and happy. I must be healthy, so I do yoga regularly, at home, at school. I must be healthy, so I keep my nails short, clean and neat. I comb my hair neat and tidy. I must be healthy, so I keep my surroundings clean, my bedroom clean, my study table clean, my study room clean. I must be healthy, so I keep myself happy. I must be healthy, so I take care of a plant either inside or outside the house. I must be healthy, so I read some books regularly to keep my mind and my body healthy.